Okay, now as it stands, I've done the connecting of the wire here, or feeding the wire through the box. And what I did here is I wasn't too comfortable with the length if I fold it in, or if I fold the driver in and the wire lays, and then maybe to find at a certain frequency we hit, and then the wire maybe might start vibrating and might tap onto the wood. Well, it's MDF is dense, but still, you know, it's the smallest and tiniest of frequencies. It will go play through the box itself. So what I did is I just put in this like a stuck tape, but it's got like a sponge on the other end. So in case if it does, it will be on the sponge and it will be dead. But you know, that's I just didn't feel comfortable. That's why I did that. Normally I don't do it because I normally would measure right. Well, I did measure right, but I mean, it's just here I overdid it a little bit with the wire. So just for safety's sake, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna tape up the end here with insulation tape to make sure it's firm, it stays put, and then yeah, then I'm gonna put in the driver, and then that's it. Okay, so now there's the box done. So now all I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna put in I'm gonna put on the top, I'm gonna sand it down, and then from there I'm gonna paint it, and then just do some tests. But yeah, it's looking very, very nice and very good. So yeah, so now just that test, and then it's ready for the client to actually come and collect it. Okay, right now I've got the 12-inch in front of me. This now will be the final piece. The box is done. So I'm gonna now basically mount the subwoofer into the box, and I'm gonna be using this quite fairly thick weather strip. And obviously now why I chose, I've got a thinner one but I went for this one here because of these screws that I couldn't take out. So like I said, I battled to even try and get one out, and I just can't seem to get it. So it's gonna stay, so I'm gonna obviously bolt it 1 2 3. Okay, sorry, let me just show 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 7 spots that I'm going to be bolting this thing down, but everything should be okay. Okay, weather strip is in, so nicely firmly secured. It's quite sticky, this stuff, but yeah, so now it's just to mount it, and then that's it. I'm done. And then I'm just going to double check my positive and negative when I mount this thing. Positive should be then on the left. Okay, and then I will just mount it then. Okay, this is a finished product of the Sony Explode box build. I sprayed the port with it's like a dark chocolate brown color, and obviously I put in my own little logo thingy there. And funny enough, I had a bit of a noob experience now on this here. What actually happened is, as I'm about to basically bolt down, I realized, no man, some of these, well, most of the bolts are, well, most of the screws aren't actually torquing down. So I'm thinking, now what's happening? Pull this up out, check the screws, try again, nothing, it just spins. Take it out. I had to cut the rubber that I originally now put around the surround of the subwoofer, thinking, okay, maybe the rubber is too thick. Put it back, screw it down, nada, same thing, it's just spinning. Then I thought, now what's happening here? Okay, I said, let me get longer screws. Get longer screws, a bit thicker. Then obviously the whole of the actual initial screws in that, about I think 6 mil bigger. Okay, and I saw, wow, it actually torqued down. I was like, Okay, now I'm gonna learn my lesson from this. Next time when I do a bolt, when I have the subwoofer in front of me, I'm gonna take one screw out, look at the length when I put it in, and then at least a 16 mil depth, that at least it has to go into the wood. But yeah, well, I guess you learn, Ma. You learn. That was a noob moment for me. I'm sure some of you guys also had moments like that, you know, where it's like right at the end, you know, it's like right at the end, you're thinking, oh, you're going for that perfection, rubbers, and then something like that happens. But yeah, anyway, so right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do just to test, just have the setup here quickly just to see how it plays. The guy's actually the client's actually on his way, so I don't know if I'll be able to actually test the thing properly, but just to see if it plays or not, then he's gonna come and collect it, and then that's it.